So look what I got back today, man. It's back. Got my drone back. Y'all already know I made a video about me crashing into a tree. I guess it was beyond repairable because they would have fixed it. You know what I'm saying? So it seemed, you know, I just tore the plastic off of it, got a little book. Now, hopefully, I got a brand new battery. That's what I'm really hoping. And no, I did not do this shit on purpose. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? I took my battery out before I sent it to them, so they don't have my battery. So, let me see. Did they bless a nigga or something? Alright. Oh, shit, I'm tripping. About to be a clean number 2. Okay, got 2 brand new propellers. Okay. Trying to hold the camera in one hand and open it with the other. Let me see. Let me see. They put it, got a new little case, because I got one of these. I never sent this in. So, let me see. Dang. I guess they know what they doing, huh? They sent me one without no battery. Said, no, nigga. No, buddy. They said, no. I got my baby back, though, but they ain't messing with me on the, gave me a brand new camera, everything like that. So I'm trying to see, is this a brand new one? They just put it in the plastic and put it in a brand new box? Or did they repair it? I don't know, man, but either way, man, I'm glad I got it back, y'all. I would not be doing that dumbass shit I did again. Would not be happening. I think I got 3 more, claims. Man, look at this box, man. So you telling me they ain't gonna do battle? That's bogus. They must be hip on it. Somebody must have tried to do that before. I'm assuming ain't nothing else in here. Yeah. Definitely ain't nothing here. I'm trying to. Oh yeah, this all cardboard. Ain't none there. I guess they smart. Because I was hoping it came with a new battery, because if y'all didn't know, the batteries on these joints is about $250 a pop. So they already know, like, now you ain't getting no new battery, my boy. You gotta pay for those. I thought they would have, you know, threw me a little new one in there, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think this is a new one, though. Remove before use. Yeah, this is a new one. It's just, I don't see not a scratch on this mug. You know what I'm saying? Not a scratch on it. Nowhere. Brand new. They just didn't throw no battery in there, but it's cool. I gotta put these propellers on. Dang. Let's see. I'll do this in a minute, but I just wanted to show y'all, man, we back. Got my drone back. Now when I don't know, man. Why would they have this right here? Hold on. I'm trying to think. Why would they have this right here? Because my camera was hanging out by the cord that's in there. So I'm trying to think, did they replace it? But then it's just too clean to look like it's the replacement. It just seems like it's a brand new one, though. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Did they replace this mug or just give me a brand new one? It took the battery out. Yeah, man. Y'all already know, man. We got the, I need to make my intro. Stop bullshitting, especially since I got it back now. Make my intro. And I'm also, car show coming up. You know, I'm catching the track. All the races on the track with the drone. You know, and I always got more footage for y'all too. With the drone footage along with other content. But yeah, man, y'all hit that like button, subscribe if you ain't already subscribed, and this your first video, make sure you subscribe. And I'm out, y'all. Get up with y'all next time, man. Got my drone back. Deuces.